say 620.
620 max, like that's the highest.
Yeah. Let's say 620 wheel will be my guess for the power. I'm not really trying to push this car that much because I just want to do a reliable tune, so we will see what happens. Shout out to Colin and Alan for coming out here, coming to see the Z. The GoPro inside so we can get some POV of Montef tuning it. Time to add some E85. Have it on the base map, but don't know what to expect. Montef was able to fix the idle too, so the car was running really well in the dyno. The motor seems very happy and healthy, which was my main concern, so that's why it took a while, but I did everything I could possibly think of doing to this motor to prolong the life of it. Also got the lead wood fabrication shirt. It's a nice 93 degrees out, or a nice 90 degrees out. on the lowest map. I was like rolling into it too. This is what I mainly want, like just the low reliable power and just be able to beat on it and have fun. I'll do the kill map just for the video, but it just makes me nervous. 650 wheel on a stock motor. It's all cool and shit until it's your car, then you're like scared. And it's been so long since I've driven something fast. Oil temp's good, 180.
They just sound so nice, and they catch way more attention than the dang turbo.
I know.
But the turbos are faster in a sense. Definitely spinning.
Okay, because I kind of went, but it's not causing any drama back there. Like it's just
not, but like, because once you let off, it grips up instantly. But yeah, once you get to that high torque, it's pulling bad.
It might be probably also throwing me off is the limited slip. I've never had that. Well, I'm not used to a car staying straight when it spins.
Oh,
I'm used to it wanting to fight.
Yeah,
so
fight with it.
Is it spinning or is my blower just not working?
Yeah, but top of second, I feel like it's because it's getting, once the higher the torque goes, it's starting to spin. So once you, I feel like you'll be good. Once you get a little stickier tire, you're chilling.
I should go past this.
Here for that.
Oh,
Yeah,
good. Right there.
Good thing.
Yeah.
All right, you should be good. Bro, that's why, like, I tell people, that's why I love the supercharger sound. Like, there's no other sound. I mean, the superchargers work best on a V8 over a VQ any day, but the sound is just crazy. Gabby used some Z06s and Hellcats now.
Yeah.
Some Z01s.
Well, I feel like this one would, because on my old Z, I could beat a stock Z06 and Hellcat 93. I just need to play with this one. mess with second because I need to see what it's doing. I mean, you're probably right. It probably is spinning. I just don't feel it.
Yeah, I think it is spinning because I mean, I spin it first all the time.
Oh, okay.
And when I never really spin in second, but when I went to second that one time, I was like, oh yeah, you definitely. Or when you went to second, I was like, yeah, you definitely spinning. It sounds so nice.